Hola clase! Today we're going to learn about noun adjective order. So we already know about noun adjective agreement. La chaqueta es roja. So in this sentence, the word chaqueta and the word roja both end in an A. So that means that they have noun adjective agreement. Okay? So noun adjective order is a little different. It's opposite than English. So in Spanish, instead of saying red jacket, we say jacket red. So in all languages, the order of the words in a sentence is called syntax. And in Spanish, they just have a different syntax order than we do. It's one of the things that makes Spanish unique. So here, chaqueta roja is the way that we say red jacket. So here we have our first example of what we're going to do. I'm going to walk you through this one. So think to yourself, jacket red, because it's opposite, right? So now you're going to put it in Spanish. Chaqueta rojo. So now change rojo to match chaqueta. So for the next couple slides, what you're going to be typing in the answer bar would be chaqueta roja. So here, think to yourself, t-shirt yellow. Now put it in Spanish. Camiseta amarillo. Now change amarillo to match camiseta. So type in your answer. How do we say yellow t-shirt in Spanish? Camiseta amarilla. So we have a t-shirt yellow, opposite, just like it's supposed to be, and camiseta ends in an A and amarilla ends in an A. So reflect here on your answer. Is this what you put? Did maybe you forget to change amarilla? So if you maybe made a little mistake there, fix that up for the next slides, okay? El suéter. So we don't have this word on our vocab list, but I did want to just include it because it's a nice word. It's a cognate word. It looks the same in Spanish and English. So think to yourself, sweater brown. Now put it in Spanish. Suéter marrón. So neither suéter or marrón end in an O, so you don't have to change anything. So how do we say brown sweater in Spanish? Type in your answer. Suéter marrón. Fácil, how easy. Think to yourself, shoes blues. Now put it in Spanish. Zapatos azul. So we need to make sure that azul is made plural by adding an es, so it becomes azules. So how do we say blue shoes in Spanish? Type in your answer. Zapatos azules. Words that end in a consonant letter in Spanish, like L, N, D, R, are made plural with an es. Think to yourself, dress black. Now put it in Spanish. Vestido negro. Does anything have to change? Or do they already agree? How do we say black dress in Spanish? Type in your answer. Vestido negro. This one was nice. Nothing had to change. Think to yourself, t-shirt white. Now put it in Spanish. Camiseta blanco. Now change blanco to match camiseta. How do we say white t-shirt in Spanish? Type in your answer. Think to yourself, socks white. Now put it in Spanish. Los calcetines blanco. So the word calcetines has an es at the end because the word calcetin for one sock has a consonant ending. It has an N for the ending. So those words, like we saw with azul, they're made plural with es. And when that happens, we don't always know if they're masculine or feminine, and that's why the article in front of the word is important. So we have los, okay? So now you need to change blanco to match calcetines. Make it be like los. How do we say white socks in Spanish? Type your answer. Calcetines blancos. All right, so we have made it to the next section of our practice today. So here we're going to put what we have been working on with the verb llevar, to wear, to talk about what these people are wearing. So this is our example, okay? So, ¿qué lleva María? Means what is Maria wearing? So we're going to start to answer with Maria lleva. And now we need to add the dress black. So if you don't have your vocabulary words, go grab those right now or open up Quizlet on your phone or in a different window because you're going to need your vocabulary for this section. So to say that Maria wears the black dress in Spanish, we are going to say Maria lleva el vestido negro. And this sentence here is what you're going to be typing in for your answer. Okay? So here's the first one that you're going to be typing in. ¿Qué lleva Mario? What is Mario wearing? So you want to tell me Mario wears the white shirt. So you're going to think to yourself, well, okay, t-shirt white. How do we put that in Spanish and how do we change the endings to make it match? We should have filled in Mario lleva la camiseta blanca. So the t-shirt white. Okay, he wears the white t-shirt is how we say that in English. And blanca ends in an A, just like camiseta. So think about what you answered. Think about if maybe you had one of these pieces missing, or maybe if you forgot to change blanco to blanca. ¿Qué llevas tú? What are you wearing? Imagine you opened your mailbox and I sent you these silly YouTube socks. Okay, so what are you wearing? Tell me that I wear the white socks. You're going to be answering in yo. Okay, yo llevo. Type in your answer. Yo llevo los calcetines blancos. It's okay if you didn't include y rojos. If you did, awesome. Wow. ¿Qué lleva Elena? So here, I want you to try to answer this one on your own. And the next, I believe 3, including this one, you're going to be answering on your own as well. So here you're going to be telling me Elena wears the purple blouse. So type in your answer. ¿Qué lleva Eduardo? What is Eduardo wearing? You can talk about all of the pieces of his outfit or just one. Type in your answer. ¿Qué lleva Elena?